Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. We are in Japan, and Aki and Fumi decided to take us to the flat track races. Stick around, guys.
Pow.
Here in Japan, hanging out with Larry from New York Motorcycles. We're gonna watch some
this.
Try not to get hit by motorcycles, right?
Absolutely. We are in the Arizona of Japan, about to do some Japan desert racing here on a moderately tricky and
a beautiful track.
A beautiful track.
We have nothing like this in Florida, so this is exciting for people to experience.
No Everglades.
No, yeah, we don't have alligator. Like the water behind us, there'd probably be an alligator in it. No alligators here.
A lot of twin shocks, a lot of old British twins, and some rigid frame Triumphs, and got a Cub coming. Yeah,
it's going to be a great time. We're going to try not to get hit by motorcycles, though.
We are.
You like that motorcycle?
It's really old.
It's really old and dirty, huh?
Yeah.
That makes it cool, right? Yeah, it's the coolest.
What do you think about trains?
It's really cool.
Yeah. That's why you came to Tokyo, is for the trains, not the trucks.
What a great surprise to come out here to the races with my wife and with my friends. Wasn't even expecting to make this video today. Not at all. showed up and I was like, man, I got to grab my camera so I can show you guys what's going on here in Japan. It's supposed to be an off day.
But it's beautiful.
It's way cooler. Way cooler. Awesome. Well, let's get back to the bikes. What an amazing surprise. Didn't expect any of this to happen on the trip, but we got the opportunity to come out, see some race bikes. A lot of cool Triumphs. I'm sorry if you're not a Triumph fan, but you know I am, and I make these videos because I like to do it, and I like to let you guys know what's going on. But we're gonna wrap it up today here in Japan with my beautiful wife and my friends Aki and Fumi. We're gonna go grab some lunch, go see some old architecture and experience what Japan has to offer here. But we thank you guys for hanging out. So if you are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here
At Weems Motor Co.